because sometimes I think people suffer in silence and things rot from the inside out.
I first have an issue with affair proof because I do believe that if somebody going to cheat, them going to cheat. No matter what you try to do, can you ever truly affair proof your marriage?
Or anything you can do to ensure that I don't.
No, let me say that part.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Stuff from the cuffs. Good evening, tenants. We want you to put your right hands up and say, I am myself. Good night, guys. Good day, guys. Good morning, guys.
Wherever you are watching this, welcome back to another Stuff from the Cuffs where we give you fire.
We're fun.
Inspirational.
We're real.
And we're educational. So happy to be back with you guys. Welcome back to the channel. I just want to pause to say and tell me, true or false, pimples choose to come up when you have somewhere to go or something to do.
Why you bursting? They're bleeding now.
Yeah, because sure. Anywho, yes, true or false? Let me know in the comments. Like, your face will be quite fine all along and make you have something to do. You come like rain. It come when you have something to do. Christ. Anywho, so welcome to all our new subscribers. First of all, welcome to the channel. My name is Basilia, and this is Basilia's husband. This is Brian, and we have two beautiful daughters, Bria Marie and Bella Renee. And yes, this is us. Welcome to the channel.
And today we're going to be talking a little bit about... What are we talking about?
We're talking about something
I'm insignificant in our relationship.
I don't want to do that one.
There's so many men out there who
this
probably feel insignificant. Alright, we'll save that for next time.
Yes, because we did something like that already about it, living in the shadow.
Yeah, but something happened recently.
What happened?
I'll tell you next time.
So we saw a post on social media that says,
on stronger marriages,
one way to affair-proof your marriage is by not sharing your marriage struggles with friends of the opposite sex.
Alright, so we're going to break it down. Yeah, we're not going to be long. We're going to be breaking it down. And the first thing is one way to affair-proof your marriage. What does it mean to be affair-proof?
I guess what they mean is to
ensure you never have an affair outside.
Make sure that you don't have an affair. I guess trying all the things. Proofing something doesn't mean that it won't happen.
That's what it does mean.
No, because if you fireproof your house, there's still a likelihood that...
No, waterproof bags never get wet.
Yes, they do.
The bags get wet, but it never gets inside. So it's the same thing. So maybe, I guess... So every relationship can be, I guess, approached or attacked as it relates to an affair, but to not let it pass the surface then.
Okay. Alright.
So one way to affair-proof your marriage is by not sharing your marriage struggles with friends of the opposite sex.
And by friends of the opposite sex, who do they mean? Friends who like you?
Let's go not sharing first. Do you agree you're not supposed to share your struggles?
No, I don't believe that you should not share your struggles. Why? Because sometimes I think people suffer in silence and things rot from the inside out. When if they shared with the right person or the right persons, maybe they could have gotten the help that they needed. So I don't believe in not sharing. I don't believe in not sharing.
So you believe in sharing?
I believe in
With the right
sharing
person.
within measure.
So don't tell every
No.
single thing every single time to any single person.
No, I think that there are persons that you can share with that can give wise counsel in order to help your marriage be better. But you have to sift out them people and be certain that their intentions with you in giving advice are coming from a good place. And so I'm not just get up and just share with any and anybody just because you need some advice. This has to be somebody who has a proven track record of giving wise counsel. That's for me.
I first have an issue with affair proof because I do believe that if somebody going to cheat, them going to cheat. No matter what you try to do, right? If the person is made up in their mind
To cheat.
And when I say made up in your mind, whether it take 10 years, 50 years, 5 minutes, if the person decides I'm going to do this, I'm going to step out, and they're going to step out. So it doesn't matter what is being done, you know. Can you ever truly affair proof your marriage? I don't think that it's I think it's an individual thing. Yeah, I
You
don't
have
think
to
there's
affair
anything
proof
I can
your
do.
heart.
Right. I don't think there's anything I can do to ensure that you don't cheat. You know, like I'm saying, give your wife, give your husband every single thing that she wants.
Listen, I see people have everything in the world, have the
people
most
still cheat.
beautiful, have the everything in the world, and them still gets burned. Right? So yes, as you said, I don't think there's anything that I can do really to ensure that you don't cheat, or anything you can do to ensure that I don't.
No, let me say that part. Hold on. You are telling the people on the camera I can do to make sure you don't cheat.
There's nothing
you
you
must
can
let
do.
me say that. No, I don't appreciate that.
But there's nothing you can do to
I
make me
appreciate
not cheat. I have to want to not cheat.
I don't appreciate you saying that for me. Let me say it for myself.
Okay, go ahead.
There's nothing.
You are correct. I have to affair proof myself.
It's an individual thing.
And yes, I do believe that if, partners are doing their best to meet each other's needs emotionally and physically and every alley, then fine. But I don't think that is all that affair proofs your marriage. I think it's a personal decision.
So no matter what you do in your relationship to ensure that the other person doesn't cheat,
it boils down to the other person.
Affair proof. It does boil down to the other person. So what each person, I think, based on this post, should do in the first place is affair proof yourself. Do all that you possibly can to ensure that you don't want to step outside of the confines of your marriage. Alright? Then now, not cheering. Boy, tricky. Because it's going tricky now. Do you think I should be bringing our struggles to my female friends?
No.
You see, she just said she don't think nothing is wrong.
Not a female friend.
But that's what he's asking.
Find one old woman.
That's what it.
Or an old man. Find a man.
No.
Prefer you tell a man.
So you are okay with sharing it with the right persons, what you estimate as the right person, but you don't want me talking to my female friend?
But not your friend them.
You can't tell me that.
Alright, you can't tell me that neither.
And you say first. Alright, here's it for me. Alright? Which male friend am I okay? I don't know all of them. Probably know half them, but
okay, know them.
Which male friend would I be okay with you sharing our struggles with? I guess it depends on the struggle. Firstly, because you have struggle and you have struggle. And you have what we say is bigger struggle. So if it's the heavier struggles, do you have a problem? No, because I do think you're going to find somebody who, as you said, is able to handle it, to deal with it the right way, and to get the appropriate help. I don't think you're going to go to somebody who will just probably share it with somebody else or laugh and talk and just give you surface response. So I do believe you would bring this particular issue or struggle to the right persons, and possibly the reason why you would go to somebody of the opposite sex is because you would believe that they offer some insight that a female wouldn't be able to give, or they would offer my side of the story because they're also a man, so you're probably trying to see it through their eyes. So I don't have a problem on the surface of it. If it goes in depth now where you try to seek help in terms of somebody to come on your side, or we're not even going there. Yeah. Because you have to be careful. Again, let's go back to what we were talking about, affair proofing. If you go to get comfort from the person, and the person is not as strong as you thought they are, and you end up falling and the person falls because emotional attachments are formed, then it's an next struggle that you're inviting to the relationship. So, if it's a comfort you're seeking or somebody to be on your side, no. But if you believe it's somebody who will give a wise counsel, I don't have a problem.
You were saying which one of my male friends would you become?
I don't know. That's what I was thinking about though. Like, I guess the names that I would think of would be more of mutual friends than
just my friends
right.
alone.
Yeah, I don't know all your friends like that. I don't know nobody else.
And these are persons who we are confident would not be picking a side, but will be picking the marriage as, you know.
And all of those persons are married, right?
Right.
Yeah, I think that is important too, that, you know, nothing is wrong with seeking advice from, as we've said in previous videos, with single persons.
Yeah, but certain things,
because people are, it's like, you don't want to go to a mechanic who's never driven a car.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Mind you, you have some single people who give sound advice. But I think when it comes on to certain things, that it's best to go to somebody who has sailed that.
Can you imagine you bring some
sailing.
bedroom struggles to somebody who never have known?
I bring no bedroom struggles to nobody. First of all,
So.
no bedroom struggles. So.
It's an example. It's an example. Me on the other hand, if I run from white liver.
Yeah, they're on fire.
Anybody can help me with white liver. Let me know.
You want somebody to help you?
No, not like that. No. Tell me how to handle it.
Nice. But
Unless you have a little draw down and something.
Oh, you wicked surprise.
Black iron. No, mama, we're recording. You just drink juice. So you walk like a mother.
Put me up like. So yeah, as we said, to wrap this up, I don't think there is anything that you can do.
What's my got to know?
Well, now that you name them like that, I don't have a problem.
I'm just going through. Bella, no, mama, turn that down. I'm just going through.
I know. To that drape you up.
But it's not me, it's the struggle with me with you, you see?
Because
So she wanted to go to the people who gonna go on her side.
No, I
Yeah?
just know that will
No,
keep
sir.
him in line.
Please, anybody, every
All
one of
those
my
persons,
friends,
right.
every one of my friends, even if I don't call them name, who I would bring anything, it's somebody who I know confidential, somebody who I know has the marriage's best interest at heart. Not my best interest, not her best interest, the marriage's best interest. And people who are praying people, most importantly, and people who are able to intercede. Alright, you soon get to use the party, alright?
You want tea? Really, old people picking them in. Alright, I'm gonna make tea for Bella, so.
Yeah, so let's hear from you guys in the chat.
What do you think? Is
if
there
you're not
anything
married,
that you can do
to affair-proof
your relationship to make sure that your partner does not cheat?
Alum and cake soap to make sure things are keeping.
Or do you think that it's a personal decision, something that you have to affair-proof yourself and your heart?
Yeah.
Instead of the other way around. Let us know in the comments, guys.
And what are some of the struggles that are okay with sharing and not okay with sharing? And if you have any struggles that you want to share with us, I'm joking. It's all right. We'll pray for you.
Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in to another Stuff from the Cups, where we give you fire, we're fun, inspirational, we're real, and we're educational. We'll see you in the next video. Oh, shit, me say that so much I'm editor.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some love.